Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can join friends game or how you can join server in Among Us. So there are a few ways. The first way is when you're going to click like public game, find game, and I'm going to choose like 2 imposters or even 3 imposters or 1 imposter and refresh, and I'm going to like find a game. This is like the first way. Or you can like join my friend's game by just entering the code right here in private. So you enter the code here and you just join here, right? So, but they need to give you the code and they will find the code here. I will show you. They will find code right here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.